If you need to recover your Afterpay account but no longer have access to your email, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Afterpay website. Go to the official Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app on your device. This is where you will start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the recovery process for your account. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Since you don't have access to your email, enter the phone number associated with your Afterpay account. This will allow Afterpay to send you a verification code. Step 4. Verify your identity. Check your phone for a text message from Afterpay containing the verification code. Enter this code on the website or app to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before, then save your changes. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your Afterpay account again. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Afterpay customer support for further assistance.